Yo, 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 yo. Right, you can hear me now. How's it going? Yeah, we're only on TikTok temporarily show people that there's a lot of fakes going about. But yeah, that's another thing. Yes, welcome guys. Yeah, sound drop a like as well. Good stuff, good stuff. Right, let me just share the video again really quickly, and then we will crack on. Um, Put some music on as well for you, one sec. Shoo. There we go. But yeah, welcome guys. Who've we got? Who's here? If you just joined, let us know who's here. Okay, let's see what Gold's gonna do for us today. Yo, Wes, how's it going, mate? Welcome back, mate. Yeah, I'm happy with how Gold's starting to range a little bit here, because if it is going to continue higher, it'll need to, for me, get back above 33, 26, 33. You can see here to the left, failed to close above it. Even here, failed to close above it now. So I'm not going to be looking for longs until either we close above there or we pull back, range and continue higher. So I'll break that down in a second. I'm just going to let it fill up a little bit. We've only got, how many people? We've got 10 people here. Dean, he's here. Dean's back, welcome. Dean's always here. Yol, how's it going, mate? Yeah, guys, if you just joined, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a question in too. I'll start breaking this market down very shortly. Not much is happening just yet. I did take a negative 4 tick loss today down here, but it's nothing to worry about because I took a win yesterday, so I'm still up quite a bit for the week. Like most weeks, guys, we're always up. Well, touch wood, most weeks anyway. I'd say for the last 6 weeks, every week's been profitable. Last 6 to 7 weeks, but like I said, I don't want to jinx anything. Famous last words. But yeah, welcome guys. We've got a good team. We've got 13 people here now. Nice. 13 people here. But yeah, I'm still up over 30 ticks for the week. Still up over $300 for the week. So, you know, so far. Dean needs to make the dollars and join the community. Dean, you're always welcome to join whenever you want, Matt. Yes, how's it going? Welcome. Welcome. Yeah, like I say, guys, anybody who does want to join the community, you're always welcome to join. We've got a great group of people now, very active. Everyone's there to learn the strategy, become profitable, and we do get a lot of people passing challenges at the moment, which is good. It's what I like to see. It shows, and when you see people like 3 or 4 people a week passing challenges, it shows you that I'm not teaching rubbish. I'm teaching good technical analysis that actually works. Like, a lot of people will look at all these different things, like so many different things in the market to try and get the correct direction, when you need to just learn how to get the next 2 candle direction correctly. You know, so many people are trying to catch these huge moves to the downside, for example, like here and up here. They're trying to catch these huge moves, trying to do all this analysis that's taking up so much energy, when realistically you just need to find what the next 2 candles are going to do. And then if you get a runner from the next 2 candles, you're going to catch these moves. For example, here, I know a few people in the community caught this push down, which, yeah, it's good. You've guessed, cheers, you've caught what this candle's going to do. You've guessed what this candle's going to do after. And after you've guessed what this candle's going to do, you then get the move down. So instead of people are trying to catch these huge moves in the markets when they can't even guess what the next candle's going to do. As stupid as if that makes sense. So, and what do I mean by they can't even guess what the next candle's going to do? Like for us, we wait for closes of ranges, okay? And if we get a close, if we get a close above the range, when we look for the flip of the next candle to go higher. It's not as simple as that, but that's what we look for. We're only guessing what this next candle after the breakout's looking to do. And if we get that correct, then we've got runners into into liquidity targets above. And if we do get them runners after just guessing what the next candle's going to do, we can get these huge 500, 600 tick pushes. And we do get that very often, where we get like a 400 tick push. Like a few of the one guy in the community caught this short here, half risk short down. What's that? That's a 700 tick push. Just based off guessing what this next candle's going to do here. Just guessing off what this next candle's going to do is caught a runner down. And that's exactly what we do. Don't try to guess what the market's going to do. Like, stop trying and catch these huge moves when you don't know what the next candle's going to do. Like, get that right first and then move from there. If that makes sense, guys. I tried to explain that best I could, but what is your strategy for trades? My trading strategy is just waiting for level. I trade liquidity into liquidity, and I trade into liquidity and away from liquidity using ranges. I'll break gold down in a minute. There's not much volume right now on the 15, but I'm going to break it down in a sec. It's quite rangy, so it's clean as anything. Yeah, we've got a clean range now, but I'll break that down now. We've got 15 people here now, so all good. And that's something that I thought about, like when I was swing trading and I was trying to catch these massive moves. For example, let's say I was looking to go long here. I just get stopped out. For example, let's say I was swing trading and I was trying to catch a long and I was looking to go long here and I was getting stopped out on my stop loss here. I thought to myself, what is the point in trying to catch these huge moves when I'm not even getting the next 30-minute candle correct? If you can learn to just find what the next 30, the next 2 or the next 3, 15, 30-minute candles are going to do, then that's when you're better off. Like if you can just guess that, oh, after this breakout, the next 15 is going to continue higher and I can catch that 30, 40 ticks on a one contract, get that $300-400 on the next candle and then leave a runner. That's the best way to go about it, guys. Right, let's break this chart down anyway. Enough of me rambling on about everything, but I'm just trying to give you a bit of advice. Not advice, a bit of knowledge of what I've learned over the 7 years anyway. But yeah, I'll stop rambling. Just to say, Joe, stop rambling. All good. But it's seriously, it is good information. Like, stop trying to hold these trying to catch these huge moves up without knowing what the next candle's gonna do. Anyway, gold. Right now, gold, looking at the 4 hourly, you can see that the 4 hourly has created a great, and I'm only looking at the 4 hourly for now because that's all I need to look at. Look what the 4 hourly's done. This 4 hourly took liquidity. So you've taken liquidity on this 4 hour candle and you're starting to continue higher. So I do think gold is set to pull back and continue long. But for me, in order to want to go long, and it's actually happening right now, I want to get back above 33, okay? If we can get back above here at 26.33, I'm going to start longing, and that's going to be soon in the next, when's that, in the next 15 minutes potentially. Can start looking for them longs higher for me. Yeah, I'm not going to even look for shorts just yet. The only way I'd start looking for shorts is if we started closing below here. Full risk shorts for me would be below 26.28. But you can take some half risk shorts pullback if we do close below 33. But this is the range that I'm playing for now. This is the cleanest range I'm playing on gold for now. If we do get below 28, then yeah, we can play some deeper pullbacks. But I am very interested to see if I can catch some longs higher. You know, for targets above market, 26.39 to 26.40 will be first targets for me to look to long into. Okay. But yeah, if we can break back above, and the reason I've got this level isn't, like I say, it's not just a random level. Look at this. Look at the level that I've pointed out here. 26.33. It's not just a random level. Look, support, resistance. Look, resistance. Price has reacted from this level in the last 2 days since Monday, 3 or 4 times. You know, you got rejection, rejection, rejection. Recent rejection here. I'm not looking to go long until we close above because price could easily just continue down. And if you start loading up longs before you close above, you're going to get stopped out. Just wait for this closure. It's going to be closing soon in the next, 11 minutes. Wait for that closure. If it closes above, you've got some impulse entries. because you've taken liquidity on the prior candle, okay? But I'm going to update the community when we get close in the next 5 minutes. I'm going to update the community if we do get close to, if we do that, get that close in the next, what's that, 11 minutes? Yeah, if you've got a question, guys, stick it in the comments. Any community members, if you've got any questions, let me know. I'm just going to stay on live for maybe an hour today. I'm not doing a long live today, guys. I need to do a community Zoom call later too, so I'm just going to stay on live for an hour. If you've got any questions in the meantime, just put them in. Flying gold. Flying, look at that. Yeah, we've got some great liquidity targets above there. What did the 5 minute do? Yeah, 5 minutes just flat. How much is that? Like 28. I'm just going to update this range really quickly. Let me just update this range on the 30 minute. To the community, let me just go. If anybody's not done it, no. But yeah, welcome back everyone. Seriously, who's here? Wes, Dean, Yol, Oscar. Oscar, sorry bro, I didn't see your comment. I've just seen it now. Yeah, Oscar, welcome back to the call, bro. Dean, welcome all. Happy with the stream connection as well. If this liquidity here gets taken and we close above it, I'm still going to be looking for that push higher. Don't think I won't be, I will. I just need to wait for the 15 minute to close in 9 minutes, okay? I'm just going to look for that easy 20, 30 ticks and be done. And we're taking that liquidity now. Ooh, absolutely flying. What is it doing? That's just a spring of... Look at that. Where could we pull back up into? Got some I think gold can at least pull back up into some levels above market. 2650. Maybe in some structure, 2652. So yeah, there's still a lot of places to look to go into here. Been holding since 33. Let's have a look. 33. Yeah, decent. In the range for me, I wouldn't look to do anything there. It's been a bit annoying. It's been a bit annoying today, gold. Like I said, I don't get too attached to it and emotional about it, but we've had some decent breakouts, but just look how the candles have formed. Like, yeah, this breakout here was perfect, and then look, nothing after. And then here, it ranged. It's literally ranged for the past, since 10:30 till now. So it's ranged for the last 3 hours. But down here, I took a short break even and a short negative 4 tick loss. Which negative 4 ticks, I made like what? 20 odd ticks yesterday. So I'm up anywhere from yesterday. I only used 3 micros down here because I knew that if gold got back above this level here at 17, it's going to continue higher. It closed above, and yeah, price is just continuing higher now. But even now, look at the closure of this range. I'd have to wait for confirmation on the 30. You can get 15-minute impulse entries, but it's just flying up. There must have been some kind of news because indices spiked as well. Let's have a look really quickly, mate. If gold's going long, it's probably war news. Let me have a look at war news. Wow, it's spiking. It's going quick. Is this? Yeah, war news probably was. Yeah, nice one for the lights, guys. Yeah, spam it. Spam it. Get them up. We need 2 more. Yeah, 15 looks good for longs, but I need that strong closure. If not, I just look for confirmation to take it higher on the 5. Simple as that. But the price action since, and guys, you know, last month when we were catching great trades, like don't get it wrong, we're still profitable. We're still profitable each week. I'm still profitable each week with this war news, but the last 2 or 3 weeks since the election, I'd say gold has been harder to find positions, but that will pass. That will pass in the next couple of weeks. It's just there's a lot of war news at the moment, and the price action is just not as clean, but that will pass. So, you know, keep sticking to the plan, keep risking correctly, and you'll be fine. Like last week, we was up over what was up last, like 80 ticks last week. 80 ticks last week with that price action. Crazy. Now we're up like what? Look like 20, 25 or something this week. 25, 30. But yeah, it's literally all about management. Having your half risk trades and your full risk positions. Like for me and the community, we have half risk and full risk. You know, within this range, it's half risk. Now we're above it, we're trading full risk, and that is the way to trade manage. You know, that's the way that you're gonna see the longevity in periods where gold's not acting as it normally would do. Like look at gold this week, instantly pushed straight back down, but look at last week, instantly pushed up. You know, you can't really do much with that. It's just literally about trading what you see, not trading off emotions too. But yeah, look at even now. Look at this 30-minute. The 30 minutes breaking above. Yeah, great. But you've got like all these laws here that haven't been taken. You know, you've got a collection of laws here that haven't been taken. But yeah, I've already taken 2 positions this. I've already taken 2 positions this week. I took 3 positions yesterday, and I've already taken 2 positions today. So I've taken 5 positions already this week. 5 positions. What is an indicator are you looking for it for where to buy? I don't really have an indicator. I just have a range. If we get back above the range, if we close above the range in a certain way, I look to buy. Like I say, I don't go too much into detail about different range clauses because that's community content. You know, if you want to actually learn the full system and the way that I teach and the full strategy, the way that we enter positions, you'll have to join the community and learn that. But yeah, I just wait for my range to close, which we're getting a close out of now. Okay. But yeah, if you do want to learn and you want to join the members chats, like the community's not just learning the strategy, it's like you've got all the members chats, you've got the daily updates on gold, you've got a good community there, other people to talk to, share ideas. But yeah, 30-minute. 15's closing too. I do think this next 15 will definitely push up a little bit. You know, if we can get that 30, 40 ticks, I'll be happy. Yo, yeah, yo, no problems, mate. Yeah, join when you're ready, bro. Like I said, I don't force anybody to join, but if you want to join, you can join. Yeah, but you won't be disappointed with the stuff that's in there. I'm very active all day, and I'm always posting new content, new videos, new market updates. I try to do at least one trade breakdown a week. Yol, are you in the free Telegram, mate? Are you in the free Telegram, Yol? Yeah, good break out of this range for now, though. This range is was definitely the cleanest. You know, you can see resistance, resistance support. You know, resistance breaking out now. Yeah, yeah, I'm good stuff, mate. Right, yeah, good stuff. Wes, I think your friend might have just joined the community just now. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if he has. But yeah, I think I have just seen that he's joined right now. I've joined other groups, and I think yours is the only one I've seen that I've passed challenges. That says, yeah, we get passes every week now. You know, since people have actually started taking the challenges and executing the plan, yeah, for sure, we get people passing, and that's it. Is it Muller? Where's Muller? Is it Muller? Jelly? Oh no, maybe not. Josh? Is his real name Josh? Is his real name Josh? It's just come up now on my phone. I'm just looking now. One sec. Yeah, good stuff. Yeah, I've got it. Yeah, cool. Wes, I will give him. Obviously, he's gonna join now. I'll give him access to every channel. I'll give him access to all the channels once I'm off live. So in the next 20-30 minutes. Well, maybe an hour. But yeah, he'll get the link in his email. Yeah, nice one, Wes. Cheers up. Cheers, bro. Yeah, guys, if this 15 can flip higher, I would be happy to take half risk longs. The only reason it's half risk is because I wouldn't be trading into anything as such in terms of, and I'd like it because it's the first 15. When you see the first 15 of the hourly continue higher like it is, you know, are you going to have a deep rejection after taking liquidity potentially? So what I'd say is either wait for the 30 to close and take the 30 flip, or just find 5-minute confirmation. 5-minute has confirmed too, which is good to see. But yeah, I'm going to put a 15-minute buy stop on this high at half risk. If it flips, then great. If it doesn't, then I will be out. But yeah, 15-minute buy stops are on this high here. Okay. Yeah, 15-minute buy stops on this high. Let's see if we can flip higher. You know, I'm only looking for that 20, 30 tick push into some of these highs here to the left. Yeah, I've got a little bit of liquidity to the left to take too. What would that push be into them highs? You think you're looking at about 30 ticks? Decent. If it doesn't flip, you just simply wait for more confirmation. But yeah, let's see if we can flip higher. If we do flip, I would like to just continue into some of these highs to the left on this 15. Has that 5 low been taken too? No. Let's see if we flip anywhere. But yeah, I've got a buy stopping on the high of this 15 candle. Preempting that we get that push. At 15 ticks, I will probably go break even quite quickly because the liquidity targets aren't too clear. But I do think we're going to continue higher. If it's not now, you simply just wait for price to either confirm around here or range again and then break out and continue higher then. Simple as that. You know what that'd be? I don't want to be risking like 10, 13, 12, 13 ticks here. But like I say, if gold pushes down any more than here, if it re-breaks this low 35 ticks, I won't even be bothered to look for a long here. Gold's just going to have a deeper pullback. I just simply wait for 5-minute confirmation. What's this? I want this 5 minute to confirm now. Yeah, if this 5 minute confirms, then yeah, perfect. But gold straight up, straight down. Not clean. For a person with less than 1k in their account, how much profit do you think I should look for a day? I'm going to be honest with you, mate. I'd probably just look to get funding. I wouldn't look to trade a 1k account. Yeah, 1k is decent. At least 1k is probably the... Yeah, 1k is decent. And I'd probably just say a day. I wouldn't even look at daily targets. Look at monthly targets, mate. If you're too bothered about daily targets, then you're going to fail. In my experience. Yeah, look at your monthly targets, bro. Whether that's... Yeah, yo, look for funding, like, past funding accounts, get payouts, then feed that into a personal. Like, that's what I tell all the members, and that's what the members are doing now. In the Discord, you know, a couple of them have got 2 or 3 accounts. You know, if you get 2 or 3 accounts, like for me, I've had like 6 or 7 payouts in the last 6 weeks. In the last 6 or 7 weeks, like I had a payout every week for like 4 or 5 weeks, and that's like 5 or 6k. Put that into a personal, then you've got a decent chunk to play with there. Like I say, I've got a personal YOL, but my personal is on hold until I get max funding. Max funding will be coming soon. Once I get max funding, I'll be trading my personal again, but my personal is quite large. Like I said, I don't go into too much how much I've got in my personal because I'm not a flexor, but I've got a decent sized personal. You know, I will withdraw in like 2 or 3k, 3 or 4k a month off that. Yeah, like before, the withdrawal before I actually stopped trading my personal was like 3.5k, just for that month. Yeah, guys, cancel. I've just cancelled my order. Yeah, the order's cancelled. Yeah, order at this high is cancelled, guys. There's no way I'm keeping this in now. Yeah, like I say, I could easily wait. I could easily just stay on personal and not trade funding. But whilst funding's here, and I can get 5 accounts at 200, 300k, why would I not do that? You know, I'd rather just get maximum funding, and then when I've got the max funding, I can focus on my personal and my funding. Yeah, you do, but you do have to do a challenge. But once you've done a challenge and you've passed, you know, it's only 6% to pass with the one that I tell you to do. You can pass that quite simply. Once you've passed, then you can just get payouts quite quickly. But you need a decent strategy still to pass them. Yeah, Gold's playing with everyone's patience today. I've just mentioned that in the group. It is playing with everyone's patience. Any funded recommendations? Yol. Yeah, I've got a few. Like FTMO good. Top Step. I personally use Top Step. But what I'd say to you, Yol, is don't take any challenges until you've got a good strategy and a good plan that you know you can pass them with. You know, you'd just be wasting money every time you take one. The amount of money I lost not having a proper plan or a proper strategy is ridiculous. Full port NFP strat, yeah, it's good. NFP strat class. I used to do that when I didn't have a clue how to trade. Just buy NFP thinking that it'd work. It never works. But yeah, Gold's definitely playing with us today, guys. Look, like the way this range here, perfect range. You know, you've got half risk shorts here, which is good. I took that. Negative 4 ticks, doesn't matter. It's like $35 or something. $35 when my average win's like $300. It really doesn't matter, guys. That's what I mean. Keep your losses small. Like, if you keep your losses to like negative 10 to 15 ticks, and you keep your wins to like 30, 40 ticks, then you're going to be doing fine. But yeah, look, broke out of the range. Nothing. Look how it broke out. It's just pushed straight up here. You know, not confirmed here. Then ranged for like 2 hours. But yeah, now we've ranged, we finally broke out, straight back down. So don't be too bothered, just keep your patience and wait. Yeah, but it's literally all just, you know, you got your breakout here, instantly push straight down, didn't give us the flip. You know, it didn't give us the flip. You just simply wait for the new range, or you just simply wait for the confirmation above this level. There's no need to be forcing anything. If it gets back below this level, you can start looking for some half risk shorts. If it gets below here, you can look for full risk shorts down. And that's what the plan is. Just follow the plan and it'll work out. But yeah, if you just look at today's price action, don't be too bothered if you haven't taken any positions. You know, you ranged, you waited for your closure of the range, which was here this morning. You finally got the closure, and then you got absolutely nothing. Then you got stuck back in another range. You finally close out on the 15, and then you push straight back into it. So there's not much you can be doing. Bit of bad PA for the first couple of days, anyway. Yeah, this week I've had 3 break evens. I've had 3 break evens, one like 20, 25, 30 tick win, and one negative 4 tick loss. So I'm up like 25 ticks for the week. 25 ticks for the week. It's not bad. One contract, it's like $250. But yeah, straight back into the range now. Oh, Goldie. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Oh, right, he's just joined. Let me just give him. Let me just give somebody access really quickly to all the channels, just so we can start seeing everything. But yeah, there's nothing to do on gold yet. We just closed back within this range. Give us 30 seconds. Yeah, if anyone's got any questions, put it in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Just stick it in if you've got anything to ask. Oh, Naeem, how's it going, mate? Yeah, Naeem, welcome, bro. How's your day been today, mate? Are you up or down? Let me know, mate. I've taken 2 trades, one break even, one negative 4 tick loss, so basically like 35, negative 35, $40 or something. Still looking to see what gold wants to do. Tell you what, if that 15 took liquidity there, that'd have been perfect for some sells. You know, you're probably going to see gold fill the range to the downside now. You know, probably going to see gold fill that range to the downside, but it's something I can't take because it hasn't taken any liquidity. It's unfortunate. But yeah, if gold's trapped, and you're probably going to see further downside. The only thing you can see now, if it closes back bullish, you can then take the longs higher. But yeah, gold there is absolutely well and truly trapped. I would have break even, but my stop loss and then shut up. Oh, did it, Neem? How much you down, bro? Price is so bearish, yeah. Price is, I think price, you know, you know, this is a fake out. This is the fake out / liquidity grab, depending on what you're looking at. But yeah, price should continue down though. But I need to wait. You know, 30-minute didn't close too bearish, so back within this range for now. Just gotta sit on your hands when you're in these ranges. Here we go. If this 15 can close back above now, then yeah, I'd be free to take longs higher. I'd be a lot happier to take longs then. If the 15 can get above, that is. You know, what you're seeing now is that you're closing back within this range. Price could easily just chop about like we did prior. You know, you can see the chop here. Price could easily just chop. Price could easily just chop here again to what we're seeing to the right, and you don't want that. You want price to, you know, either break back out or break below. If it breaks below, then fine, you can start looking for shorts. Ruble, how's it going? G Ruble, welcome, bro. I was hoping to pass today, but put me back a bit. Did it? Yeah, it's a bit of a bad PA day today, should I say? Price action's not the cleanest. Like I said, I thought I'd jump on for an hour on stream just to see what people are saying. But yeah, it all depends how this 15 closes now for me. If this 15 closes bullish back above this range, then yeah. Thoughts on supply and demand, yo? No, I don't trade supply and demand, bro. Don't trade supply and demand, SMT, anything like that. Just levels and liquidity. Within levels, away from levels, into liquidity and away from liquidity. Man, this PA is whack, yeah, 100%. Whereas it's not the best. I'll break it down, guys. I'll break all the PA down from London session. You know, London session opened here, so I'll break it down of what we've seen, and you'll understand that why the entries haven't been there. Quickly, look at the London range. You know, we had the London range here, and yeah, that London range is great because if you get above, you can start looking for your longs. Anything below, you can start looking for your sells. But within here, you know, half risk, or if you do see the setup half risk, I personally took a half risk stab here to try and get that early sell down. I got caught out, negative 4 ticks. Very, very small loss, but it is what it is. I also took a break even here, but that wasn't the range. That was just a confirmation trade. This range didn't get formed. You know, this range only got formed after this candle here. But yeah, got a couple of positions down here. Nothing happened. We broke out absolutely perfectly, but as we broke out, we instantly shot up. You know, we instantly shot up here, and there was just no trade. You know, if you did, for example, guys, a couple of people, obviously people would have executed here, but you'd have had to be so quick to enter, and that's just not how we trade. You need to enter off the flip of the candle. So it would have been a valid entry here on the 30-minute if we created the bottom wick. I was looking to enter if we created a bottom wick, and we just didn't. So I was looking for confirmation. So 15-minute confirmation just didn't confirm all the way up. And recently, we've just created a range here. So we broke out the range. Nothing showed us we broke out of the range. Now we're back into the range. There's not much you can do. It's just price action. That's just how price action is today. Yeah, like Wes said, it is whack, but you just gotta deal with it. But look at it. Look at it in this. Look at it in this. This way. I'm currently waiting at this range here. Get back above. I'm looking for longs. Back below. Looking for sells. Just gonna update the community really quickly. But yeah, all to do with the war news, all the war news that's going on, guys. Since the election, gold hasn't been trading too good, but like I say, we've still been profiting every week. So it shows that the plan's working. But yeah, if this 15 can close back above, then perfect. I'm going to look for them longs, but, you know, we've got, how long? We've got 7 minutes to wait. If it doesn't, I'm probably just going to call it there and just stay in the community. I have got a members Zoom call to do, so I will be on for the members Zoom call. For any of the members here, you know, we've got a members Zoom call soon, so we'll be on for that. Yeah, this 15 would be nice if it can close above. Let me just have a look to the left really quickly. You you know, reacted from here too. Yeah, any sort of bullish closure would be perfect. I can see a impulse entry on the 30. I can see an impulse entry on the 30 to be valid, but what about the 15? Okay. Yeah, Wes, if the 15, Wes, if you're in the YouTube, if the 15 closes back above this level, then perfect. You've got impulse entries into the liquidity above here. If you get back below this level, 26, 28, then you've got full risk shorts down. Within here, I wouldn't even be looking to trade it. It's super messy. Gold in the London and US session has been doing these ranges, these tight ranges. Like even if you look at yesterday here. Yesterday London session, gold for the majority of the London session, all the way up to like 10:30, was in this tight range. Then when we broke out, we had some decent price action there. But even here in the US session as well, it's only been the Asian session's been moving good recently. Yeah, good stuff, Wes. Nice call though, bro. But yeah, in this range, I'm not doing anything at all. Seriously, get back above, then yeah, I'll long into the liquidity here. Get back below, I'm going to look to go short. You've got potential liquidity targets here and liquidity targets here. But yeah, let's see what happens here. It's a waiting game on gold all week this week, I'll tell you that. It does test your patience, but that's where the best traders are created. Like, if you can wait, like anybody trading this price action here, you're going to be struggling. There's a decent long here on the 15, but it just didn't flip in time. But now you've created this range, I wouldn't be doing anything within here at all. And that's why the ranges are so valid. Just stops you from getting in too early. Like anybody who's getting in shorts too early without seeing this structure at 26, 28, they're having the stops above here. They're now at break even / drawdown. Price could easily just react from this level and continue higher. But yeah, 30. What I'll do, I'm gonna wait for this 15 to close. Nothing happens on the 15. I'll wait for the 30 to close. If nothing happens on the 30 in the hourly close, I'll just update the community and I'll update the. So we've got like another 18 minutes on stream. If nothing sets up in the 18 minutes, I'll just leave it there and then I'll stay active in the community and then we'll jump on Zoom in maybe like 2 hours. Okay, 2-3 hours maybe. For the community members here, I'll be doing a members Zoom call. I'll record it and upload it for you all. Be there if you can be there. If you can't, I'll upload it anyway. But yeah, it's literally all about waiting for the ranges. Like, this range here is absolutely shocking now. Before it was decent, this closure that we had here was actually quite decent, but it just didn't flip. No volume were there, and price continued down within this range. So this range now is very similar to the one we have here. You just need to wait for some sort of closure like so, and you will get that. Just need to wait for it. And if it happens to close below, it happens to close below, you look for sells. Okay? But yeah, like I say, we'll see what happens in this next 16 minutes. If we get back above, then perfect. You've got decent first targets there. That would be like a 30-minute wick fill. Joe, do you trade much in December? Heard the markets are very slow. Yeah, I'll trade up to like the 21st of December, or until the weekend, the Christmas weekend. But probably the Thursday and the Friday leading up to that, it is very slow. And then coming out of it, it is very slow. But to be honest with you, with the way gold has been acting, especially with the war news, I wouldn't be surprised if December was very, very volatile still. Like, it wouldn't surprise me. But I will be taking a break over Christmas, maybe for like at least a weekend, at least a week. You know, over Christmas and New Year, I normally take like 3 or 4 days off. But like I say, I will be updating the community as always. Say for example, if people are trading on a Monday, people will still get updated. There's no stopping there. Like, people are trading, I'm updating. Simple as that. But yeah, in general, all markets are quite slow because, you know, people who have the volume are taking holidays. You know, banks, institutions, they're taking holidays. They're not trading. The volume's not there. But like I say, I've not traded gold in conditions like this with war, with crypto, how it is, you know, the US dollar. I've not traded in these conditions, but like I say, the plan stays the same. You know, I've back tested, forward tested this plan off many years of data, and it works. So follow the plan, follow the rules, and no matter what conditions you're in, you will get through it, and you will profit overall. That's the key. That's the key. It's not about what conditions you're in and well, volume does matter, because obviously if the volume's not there, you're not going to get in profit. But in terms of like following the plan and what time of the year it is, shouldn't matter. You should just execute the plan. Every single day, execute the plan. Okay? And that's what a lot of people will do. They'll execute the plan for 2 or 3 trades, and then they'll go, price is ranging all day, I want to take a position, and then that's when they'll take 3 steps back, because they'll take a position not to plan. Like for me, look, this range here, within this range, I'm half risk trading. Like I took a half risk trade. Out of this range, I'm full risk trading. Okay? Even now, like within this range, I'm not looking to trade half risk because it's super choppy. Here, half risk is valid because it's not too choppy. But look, price has chopped in this range, broke out, pushed back into it. Within here, I wouldn't even be looking to do anything. I'd be looking for full risk below, full risk above. Strategy is key for trading. Without that, you're literally screwed 100%. Literally, strategy is everything. Like, and that's the good thing about the strategy that I teach as well. You can literally trade any session. You can trade any time. Just stick to the rules that I teach. And once you stick to them rules, you'll be absolutely fine. Yeah, you're going to take losses. Like, it's not 100% strike rate. No strategy is. But it is a decent, if you, like for me personally, my overall strike rate's about 70-75%. You know, on YouTube Live, it's like 82%, but that's not overall. My overall is about 70. But 70% isn't bad. And I know a lot of the people in the community are smashing it because they're just sticking to it. And that's what happens when you find a plan that works. You pass prop firms. You know, 6% on a strategy that works. You can do that. I just don't take enough challenges, but I have started doing in the last 2 or 3 weeks since I've stopped my personal account. Since I stopped trading my personal account, you know, I'm taking more challenges and getting maximum funding. But we got 11 minutes until this 30 closes anyway. What's the Owly saying? Ooh, ooh. Yeah, Naz, potentially, bro. Potentially. Like, the thing that you need to look at on gold as well is look at the daily. Look at the daily, what the daily's doing. Like, the daily does need to pull back a little bit. However, it doesn't have to, should I say. But just look at, don't react and don't, what you need to start doing, don't be looking at the market and saying, I just feel like gold, because if you're trading on feelings, you're going to be losing, mate. You need to react on what's happening. For example, look at this. Price breaks above the range, I'm looking to go long. As soon as it breaks back within, and that's why I expose myself to both sides of the markets, and that's why it's key to. I'm looking for longs here, yeah. I had a buy here, but it didn't get executed, so no loss, no win, just it didn't get executed. But I'm looking to buy above the range, and as soon as it closes back below, I'm looking to sell. And that's why it's so key, because if you don't expose yourself, and you only look for one side of the market, then you're not going to be taking all the pips that you can be out of the market. You need to be acting on what happens, not acting on feeling, because if you're too attached to short, you're going to miss the moves like here, these longs here. Like, yeah, I was interested in shorts here, okay, after this red candle closed, because it closed rejecting the range. But as soon as price got back above my range, I'm looking for longs. And if you're just too attached on shorts, you're going to miss out on all this push to the upside, which is over, what, 230 ticks, you know? So don't trade on what you feel, trade on what happens, trade on what you see, you know? Like, yeah, gold is looking bearish now. If we close below here, I'm going to start looking for sells. But if we get back above this level, I'm going to be looking for longs. It's simple as that. And when you start looking at what gold is actually doing and what you see instead of how you feel, then you'll be able to profit way more. You know, gold doesn't care what you feel. Not to sound like a dick, but yeah, gold doesn't care what you feel. Like, yeah, you might have a bias, which is just a bias. It's not on what you feel. Don't be trading on what you feel. Trade on what you see. Yeah, gold looks bearish here, of course, but before it were bullish. But yeah, I don't want to sound like a dick, but I'm just being real with you. You know, you'll 2x, 3x your trading when you start reacting to what is actually happening instead of reacting on how you feel. But yeah, Naz, you're 100% right. It could drop, but like I say, I'll only look at that once the hourly closes. Wes, that analysis you've just put in the community is absolutely perfect. Like, that is absolutely perfect, and that's exactly what I'd have. I'd have liquidity grab. Liquidity's just been taken. You know, you've got a closure back below this hourly close at 26.28. You've also got trendline liquidity to take. So price is closing bearish. You'd expect the next hourly candle to continue down into some liquidity below, with that being 26.09. Is it 26.09 from what? 26.10, sorry, and 26.05. So yeah, I'd be looking for sells after this hourly. But yeah, 26.28 is a great level. You know, look at that. Look at that level. If it gets below, you're expecting to see gold continue down on the next hourly. If it closes below 26.29, look for shorts along. But yeah, I never trade with feelings, not anymore, or revenge trade. That was a bit of a habit when I first started. Yeah, it is for most people. Let's see what happens in the next 7 minutes. Yeah, let's wait, Wes. Let's see, bro. But yeah, it's a thing. It's a habit for most people. Over trading, reacting on feelings. But yeah, good stuff now. But yeah, if it closes below here, I'll be looking for sells. Like I say, if it doesn't give the hourly flip entry, I'll simply just wait for confirmation below. But yeah, I'd expect gold to just take these laws now. What's the 4 hour looking like? The 4 hour is oh 4 hour as well. H42's nice. Expect a bit more of a top wick as well. Expect more of a top wick. Yeah, yo, you'll get over that, mate, with time. It happens with time, mate. We've got 5 minutes to wait here anyway, 5 minutes, and then we'll see. I've watched a lot of trading videos and streams. You have the most realist out of them all, mate. You can see that you're legit and experienced. Yeah, thanks, mate. Nice one, Naz. Yeah, 100%. There's so much BS around at the moment. Literally, you'll have people who learn trading literally for like 2 months and they'll start selling stuff. It's just a joke. Like, I'm just honest. Like, even in the community, if someone puts a trade in and they're a bit peeved off with what's happened, I'll say, why are you buying here? Why are you selling here? This is nothing. You shouldn't be selling, buying here. Like, I'm not going to say, oh, next time you'll get it. Not a chance. Like, there's a reason why you lost. You know, learn from it, of course. But yeah, all good. If you're learning from your mistakes, it's fine. But yeah, good stuff. Nice one though. Realist of them all. Yeah, sound. Loads of fake gurus who sell courses to make you join the broker. Yeah, 100% Naz. Definitely, mate. If anybody's saying sign up to my if anybody's telling you to sign up to a broker to get you into a group, yeah, you have to sign up to the broker in order to get into the group. Just run away. Well, not run away. Just don't do it. Ooh, is gold going to give us half risk longs? And this is what I mean, and this is what I was talking to you about before. Don't react on what you're feeling. Like, anybody who's gone early into shorts here, look, people going early shorts now in drawdown, look. People going short early here, stops above, looking for price to continue down. They're in drawdown. We're not reacting from that. We're reacting on the price closing below. Price doesn't close below, so we can't take it. I stumbled across you today, and I agree that you seem real. Yeah, sound real. Yeah, join in, guys. Like, literally, I stream every day for like 1 to 2 hours. Join in. Like I say, if you do want to learn, just join the community and, you know, get the education. But like I say, the community is everything. You know, you've got daily updates. I update it all day. Video market update. You've got the members chats too. Strategy, trade breakdowns, all video content. Zoom members calls. You get 20-minute one-to-one every month at the end of your month to update how you're doing. So it's not just thrown into a group, a very active group, should I say? It is a very active group. Oh, but yeah, this price action. But yeah, anybody who's gone in too early into this, seeing a bit of drawdown now. Yeah, price action today has been very, very choppy. like I say, the only real breakouts you've had is you've had a breakout here. So in our actual sessions, you've only had 2 decent breakouts. You've only actually had 2 decent breakouts. Normally you get more than that. Wes, I'd like a nice push down now. Gold, yeah. So Wes, for me, I'm not too bothered that this is happening, because if gold can get back above this range here, I'm just going to look for longs into this liquidity. But if we do eventually close below here, I'll just look for the sells. But yeah, for me, I'm exposed to both sides. Below here, sells. Above here, buys. Price reacting nicely off that level though, yeah, and that's key, mate. It's good that you spotted that. 26.28, big level today, reacting from it now. For it to continue higher potentially. If it does get above here, then yeah, perfect. But until it does, you can't do anything because price could come into it and just react down. Yeah. Guys, if you're here, just 2 more likes. Get it to 10 likes, guys. If you've just joined, you know, we've got 14 people here. Spam it. Get it above 10. We're only on 8. Let's do it, guys. Yeah, it's a bit annoying today, price action, but it is what it is. You know, you've got 3 days left of the week. You're going to catch something. We're going to catch that big trade this week. Just stay patient. Nice one for likes. You know, I do like to get to 10 each session. 10 at least I'm happy with. Sometimes it's like 15, 20, but 10's a good number for now. We're at 386 as well, subscribers. Yeah, gold within this range still. Oh, I didn't want it to close like this. Look at that. So we've ranged from here, from 10 o'clock to 2:30, 4 hours of range. Look how tight that range is. Right, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. I've been on for an hour and 20 minutes. Not much has happened, and this price action's dodgy for me just to stay on stream and try and force something. Like I said, I don't force trades anyway, but I don't want people to stay on stream and force something when it's just not needed. Within this range, don't be looking to trade. Wait for the closure above or below. Like I say, I'm just going to update people on YouTube really quickly. If we can get back above this level at 26.33, I'll be looking to long into these highs, okay? That's my first liquidity target above there. I'll be looking to long into these highs, but we need to get a closure back above 26.33. Like I said, 4 hourly has just closed. So wait for the closure on the 13.15 hourly, and if we get back above, then I'm going to look to long into these highs. In order for shorts, for me, below 26.28, 26.29, if we close below there, I'm going to be looking to sell into some of these lows here. Like Wes said like Wes put in the Discord, you know, you got some lows here that if we get below, you know, one second, let me show you. Get below this level at 26.30, I'm going to be looking to sell into these lows here. You've got some lows here too. And overall targets for today will be like 26.05. But, like I say, I'm not doing anything within this range. It's super, super choppy right now. Look at it. Look at how choppy that is. It's been ranging from 10:30 till now. Wait for your clean close and trade with that volume, okay? Alright, guys. 4 hours of not getting chopped up. Yeah, 100% Wes, and that's the difference. That's the difference between us and retail. Many people, I'd love to know how many people are down today trading this. Like, just sit on your hands, wait for a clean close, come back in 30 minutes, have a look if the 30 minutes closed below, have a look if the 30 minutes closed above. We're not doing anything, mate. And that's the great thing about the strategy. You can do other things. For example, if you work a full-time job, right, you can see that you don't need to look at the chart for another 30 minutes. So you can do your work for 30 minutes and then have a look in 30 minutes. It's literally, there's nothing to do until it closes above or below. But yeah, Wes, good stuff. 4 hours of not getting chopped about. If you can sit on your hands and wait for the closure. Like I said, 2 positions per day. 10, 15 trades a week. That's all you need. What platform do I use to trade? It depends. Personal, MT5, Prop Firm, Top Step, and just for analysis, it's TradingView. But yeah, guys, I'm going to head off. Anybody in the community, I'll update you in, say, 25, 30 minutes. And I'll see you for the members Zoom call. The members Zoom call is in maybe like 2 or 3 hours. I'll see you then for that, okay? Alright, guys. Nice one to everyone who joined again. And yeah, like I say, if you do want to join the community, feel free to join. I will give you access as soon as you join. You can start learning, get inside the members. Wes, yeah, in a bit, mate. I'll see you in the community, Wes. Yo, in a bit, bro. Yeah, in a bit, guys. I'm going to head off anyway. Yeah, peace.